In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kaspersky Plus Antivirus on your laptop, a process that's quick and easy, taking just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in so you can fortify your laptop against cyber threats with this powerful tool. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Kaspersky Cybersecurity Solutions website. This is the official Kaspersky homepage, where you'll find all the necessary resources and links to begin your installation. Once you're on the site, look for and click on the My Kaspersky link. This portal is essential, as it not only allows you to manage your antivirus subscription, but also helps you keep track of all your devices protected under your Kaspersky account. Now, locate the Sign In option and click on it. If you don't already have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. For existing users, log in with your email and password. This step connects your software license to your personal account, helping you manage subscriptions and installations more effectively. With access to your account, direct yourself to the Kaspersky Home area. Once there, find and select the subscription link. This section contains your active products and their status, including any renewals or updates required to keep your antivirus protection up to date. Navigate next to the My Devices section. This area of the portal displays all the gadgets associated with your Kaspersky account. Here, click on Add to begin installing Kaspersky Plus on a new device, in this case, your laptop. When prompted, choose the device operating system. Make sure to select Windows, as we're targeting a Windows laptop for this installation. This step ensures that the correct version of the antivirus software is downloaded and installed on your device. It's essential to select the right OS to avoid compatibility issues during the installation process. Next, look for the option labeled Kaspersky Plus and click on it. This selection flags the specific antivirus package you intend to install, ensuring that your laptop receives the robust security features Kaspersky Plus offers, such as real-time protection, privacy features, and advanced security measures against threats. And that's it. You've now initiated the installation of Kaspersky Plus Antivirus on your laptop. The software will guide you to complete the installation process with on-screen prompts. Remember to follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the setup. Your device is now on its way to being fully protected, so you can enjoy peace of mind with your digital activities. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.